There is no doubt that the cryptocurrency business is exploding. Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency, has lately begun to expand again alongside other cryptocurrency. The crypto market's capitalization has already surpassed $2.2 trillion. The largest investment funds in the world are actively investing in various crypto assets. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video with C Wealth. Today we're going to talk about what is the next big cryptocurrency. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. All of these indicators indicate that the industry is on the rise and will likely continue to expand for some time. That is why millions of investors are eager to learn about the next cryptocurrency to go viral. The cryptocurrency market is incredibly unpredictable, and popular cryptocurrencies can quickly become shitcoins. Some of those crypto coins and tokens, however, manage to remain at the top. Most cryptocurrency investors are always on the hunt for cryptocurrencies that are on the rise, regardless of where those digital assets finish up after their trip to the moon. Whether you're looking for the next cryptocurrency to go viral in 2023 or simply want to diversify your portfolio with some high-risk, high-reward digital assets, the cryptocurrencies on this list are ideal. You can also look at our list of the cheapest coins to buy right now. Number 14, Ethereum. In terms of market capitalization, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. This cryptocurrency, as well as the entire Ethereum network, provide users with access to a diverse set of services and applications. Furthermore, the Ethereum platform is quite valuable in terms of exchange automation. Ethereum smart contracts reduce bureaucracy and enable two parties to make a trade without the use of intermediaries while maintaining low transaction latency and security. Ethereum has moved to the proof of stake consensus method, making it much more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. This, together with the recently implemented staking, has the potential to significantly strengthen this crypto project in the long run. Crypto experts and aficionados predict that the asset's growth will continue in 2023 and beyond due to its strong fundamental value and well thought out and ambitious plan. Thereum, according to crypto professionals and analysts, might be valued $8,000 to $10,000 by the end of 2022. Check out our Ethereum price estimate for more information. Number 13, the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is an excellent example of a meme coin that has carved out a substantial niche for itself in a relatively short period of time. Despite the fact that it has no basic worth, Shiba has managed to captivate the hearts of many fans and crypto enthusiasts and has seen a lot of success in 2021. Many people predicted that after its initial successful voyage to the moon, this cryptocurrency would fade into obscurity, yet it managed to repeat the journey in the fall of 2021. Will it be able to recapture and exceed its previous highs? Only time will tell, but we are optimistic for the time being. After all, this is one of the digital assets that will benefit the most from any crypto market euphoria. Check out our whole Shiba price forecast here. Number 12, Algorand. Last year, Algorand was increasing in the second part of March 2022 and showed a lot of potential. This crypto asset supports a self-sustaining, decentralized blockchain network that is now trying to become one of the world's largest decentralized apps hubs. The team is currently working on a bridge that will provide Ethereum interoperability to the Algorand blockchain, which will add much-needed liquidity to the project. Algorand has a lot of future partnerships lined up and appears to be on the verge of the next price rise. All of this is to say that only time will tell whether it will be the next crypto to erupt. So do your own research before investing in it or any other currency on this list. Read our algo pricing forecast here. Number 11, Aave. Aave is the native cryptocurrency of the same named decentralized lending network. Aave functions as a governance token as well as a transaction cost reduction for borrowing and lending money. The vast range of cryptocurrencies accessible for loan and borrowing, as well as the ability to offer consumers a choice between variable and fixed interest rates, let Aave stand out in an increasingly competitive sector. Many crypto aficionados predict Aave to rise in value in the near future, and this asset is certainly promising enough to do so. Number 10, Decentraland. Decentraland is a blockchain-based virtual reality game platform. Users can utilize the application to construct any programs that can be used in gaming reality and commercialized. The project includes virtual land plots named simply Land, on which users can construct stuff and live in this virtual world. Mana cryptocurrency was created to support the site. The potential of the project may make the investment profitable. The Decentraland asset is more appealing because of its low volatility, the development team's active participation in promoting the virtual world, and players' interest in the game's economic features. Number 9. XRP. For years, XRP has maintained its position in the top 10 by market size. This cryptocurrency remains popular among both institutional and retail investors, and its community is as robust as ever. Despite being an older cryptocurrency that is not frequently touted by people like Elon Musk, XRP still has many ups and downs and more than enough potential to go to the moon. XRP is being heralded as the future SWIFT replacement, and if it is successful in becoming a global decentralized payment system, we can only imagine how high the XRP price will grow. Here is our XRP price prediction. Number 8. Cardano. The Ethereum blockchain technology, which intends to develop smart contracts, decentralized apps, and financial instruments, competes with other initiatives on a regular basis. The Cardano network and its Cardano coin were announced in 2017. Developers use a rigorous and methodical approach to creating new technologies and expanding the platform's capability. Cardano is one of the most rapidly expanding blockchain platforms. According to the World Economic Forum, it is one of the most scalable blockchains. The coin's value increased more than 11-fold by 2021. The most important factor, however, is that Cardano maintains the level of trade rates established during the first bull run of 2021. Cardano has already seen tremendous price growth, breaking into the top 10 in terms of capitalization. 3 big organizations are involved in scientific research in cryptography, engineering, and blockchain technology. These aspects make the coin appealing for both short-term and long-term investments. Number 7. Stellar. Stellar's designers anticipate the possibility of developing their concept in collaboration with enterprises and significant investors. XLM is a promising cryptocurrency with the potential to replace Ripple in the future. Given the long-term collaborations with significant corporations and financial institutions, the idea could grow increasingly popular. As a result, the asset's value may increase. The asset's blockchain is well known in the cryptocurrency community for its lightning, fast processing speed. The hybrid protocol can drastically minimize the time required for transaction and smart contract verification. It also piqued the curiosity of many institutions. Number 6. Solana. Solana continues to push for new heights, capturing the attention of investors. It has set new records for several months in a row, well exceeding the results of the first bull run in 2021. More highs are predicted in 2023, and the Solana currency may become Ethereum's major challenger. Number 5. Curve. The Slope token is the utility token of Curve, a decentralized exchange for stablecoins that manages liquidity through an automated market maker. Decentralized Autonomous Organization is an acronym that stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. CARV is one of the world's top 100 digital assets by market valuation and one of the most promising crypto projects. Curve is now practically synonymous with decentralized financing. Although CRV has been declining recently, it has historically responded well to market booms and may benefit from any future bull run. There has recently been a lot of enthusiasm surrounding all things decentralized financial, so decentralized platforms like Curve stand to benefit greatly from any bull run. Number 4. Aptos. Aptos is a decentralized peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that will be deployed in September 2021 and will allow for speedy, safe, and cost-effective transactions. Aptos is a blockchain-based platform that makes use of the Binance Smart Chain and the APT native utility token. It provides quick transaction processing times of 3 seconds or less, as well as cheap transaction fees, making it an affordable solution for digital payments. This digital asset operates on a tokenomics concept and has a total quantity of 100 million tokens. Each transaction burns a percentage of the tokens, resulting in a drop in total tokens over time and an increase in their potential worth. Number 3. Yearn. Yearn. Finance is a platform that enables DeFi investors to maximize their yield farming income. Because their goal is to make it easier for people to get into the world of DeFi investment, it has a lot of promise. The market is still young and will certainly draw additional investors in the future. Yearn Finance. The Yearn Finance project's in-house token has been in a bit of a downturn recently, but it stands to benefit greatly from a potential future bull run. Its value is already rising gradually. It's up to you to determine whether this asset fits into your portfolio, but we believe it's worth keeping an eye on. Number 2. PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap's price and trade volume have just begun to rise again. Interest in this cryptocurrency is undoubtedly increasing, and in the world of cryptocurrency, a rise in interest frequently leads to a price boom. PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange, is powered by Cake. It employs an automated market maker, which allows customers to trade against a pool of liquidity. The portal also provides staking, lottery, and other services. The PancakeSwap project has a lot of potential and could launch in 2023. Number 1. Binance Coin. Binance Coin has routinely ranked in the top 5 by market capitalization in recent years and has one of the greatest ROIs on the cryptocurrency market, making it a solid investment choice for 2023. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.